जब हम तांत्रा की बात करते हैं, जब हम अघोरी की बात करते हैं, तो कहीं ना कहीं हमारा माइंड वो एक ब्लैक मैजिक की तरफ चले जाता है, सिद्धियों की तरफ चले जाता है। सो आई जस्ट वांट टू नो कि ब्लैक आर्ट्स पॉसिबल है, स्पिरिट्स होती है क्या?
Yes, black magic exists, and everybody who is desiring in some way is throwing a spell of black magic on life. When you tell life, this moment is not okay, make my tomorrow like this, it's black magic. If you ask me, the technically what black magic is,
Hmm.
each relationship is black magic. I want my husband or wife to do what I say. That is black magic.
Really?
Of course. Oh.
So the minute I say कि मुझे ये चाहिए और I want you to do
That is
this.
black magic. Because, yeah, it doesn't mean that you can't expect things from people. But you expect, like, okay, this person has their own flow. You can only propose, not ask. Ki, I feel this is how. That's what relationship is. See, not only that we do black magic on others, we also do black magic on ourselves. Black magic is pushing life according to your mind, and white magic is cooperating with life how it wants to move. You see, each person has a specific karma they have to face and live for their growth. You come in between as a healer, let me take away your pain. And you know what will happen? That karmic pattern will enter you. Like there is one practice, so she was talking about Om chanting. He said after doing 6 months of Om chanting, you will feel intense energy. You will for sure can feel, can do, you can heal somebody. But say do not do that, because all 6 months of work will go into that person and you will again to a zero. Not only zero, he had a karma which he had to live. Now where it will go? It's a live energy thing. You pushed yourself in, his thing will enter you. And you will start to live that person's karma. This happens in relations also. That's why you have to be very careful what relationships you form, physical relations. Is people saying, oh, I can sleep with many. You do not know what you're getting into. It takes years to get rid of other people's energies, influence, which rule your actions. Some marriages, as soon as guy meets this woman, he is prospers. Both starts to prosper. Sometimes it also happens that you start to go down, others start to rise. This happened with me in my relations and marriage. Like all the women who came into my life, they became successful, and I was just zero. When I became alone, look,
I'm doing
Prabhupada is giving lectures.
because
So
you could keep your energy for yourself.
exactly. So they say that it takes 9 months for the vibration of the person go out of your body if you have sex with somebody
9 months.
to clear off.
And if you have multiple partners, then आप उसको compound कर
You
दो.
from there you take 9 months from the last one.
Wow.
Not only that, all this energy gets mixed up in you. It will change your psychology.
So it will change the way you're making decisions. It will change your choices. It will change what you're doing while you're
Oh, lots of it. This is what Tibetans call living other people's karmas. So that's why you have to choose a very, very carefully which partner you're going to have in your life. It is not just about your sexuality. It's about your whole life's frequency. How I am able to say it, for example, I went through many relations, and I noticed how my personality was different with each relation I was with. How I looked at things, how I felt about myself, everything.
would change.
Even what do you say, frivolous relations or short-term relations. Then because I was meditating, I started to see the damage it does. Then I became more focused and more selective about it. Now, very important point that which I said in many ways, I think it will be good to share that. Your mind is the male inside you. No matter female body or male body. Your body is the female inside you. So inner tantra has to happen first. Otherwise, how your mind relates with your body, similar kind of relations you will find. If your mind is manipulative of your body, you will find men who are manipulative of your body. if your mind is full of duality about your sexuality, about your energy and this and that, and you will find the same kind of frequency who is also the same thing. Your mind has to become a lover of the body. It doesn't push it, it listens to it, takes care of it. Because of that, no wrong man can enter your life, because your system will just, your woman will say, but abhi to it's mind.